My homemade chicken broth. Wait for it to boil. Once it's boiling, you get 2 eggs beaten. Fastest way to make egg drop soup. Let that cook for a couple minutes. Done. I'm drinking this because I have a gut problem, SIBO, IBS, whatever you want to call it, and a yeast infection. So I need to eat something that doesn't have any gluten or sugar or carbs. So this will actually fills me up. I'll eat this for lunch and then that one for dinner. And cheers. Wait till it cools down. Yummy soup. Egg drop soup. A lot more filling than just plain broth. Very healing for the gut. That's perfect. You could add liquid aminos or soy sauce to flavor it, but my broth had enough flavoring before, so I don't need to add anything to it. Hey, thanks for joining me. Bye.